Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can appear offline in WhatsApp. So let's go to WhatsApp. On the top right corner you can see these three vertical dots. Click there, click the settings. Once in your setting, just click accounts. In accounts, click privacy. Once you are in your privacy, click on the first line, last seen. So here you have to choose nobody. Once it's nobody, you will appear offline in WhatsApp. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can appear offline in WhatsApp. So thanks for watching guys.